For many newbie ESL drama teachers, the idea of preparing an end-of-year show on a real stage can absolutely be terrifying, especially if you've never directed children in a play before. So here are a few tips to help you get started. Number one, don't be too overambitious. You may feel under pressure to choose a popular play or musical to impress your audience, but keep in mind the show is fundamentally for the children and not for the parents. Try and be realistic about your children's language abilities, and remember that performing with non-native speakers is completely different to performing with native speakers. It's a lot more difficult. Therefore, try choosing or writing or adapting a script that is short, incredibly simple, and preferably comic. This way, children will understand what they're saying, they'll learn their cues easier, and generally enjoy the whole theatrical experience a lot more. Number two, avoid scripts. Don't give children a script straight away. First, because many young children don't know how to read or write yet. And second, for those children who can read, you'll notice that with a script in their hands, they'll have their eyes fixed on the script the whole time, completely forget about acting and playing around on the stage. They'll just be looking at the script the whole time. So I suggest you try feeding children the lines in the first few rehearsals and get them to copy you, making funny voices and physical gestures. And this will boost their self-confidence and improve their pronunciation in the first few rehearsals. Number three, make rehearsals fun. Acting is great for children, but rehearsals can be extremely boring, especially when children are waiting around for ages before getting to play their scene on stage. The best ways to help children remain focused and interested during rehearsal time are the following. Break the action up. In between each scene of the play, get the whole cast on stage singing and dancing a song. This will energize the whole group and make everyone feel continually involved throughout the whole show, so they won't get bored. And number two, avoid children getting bored by spending no more than 15 or 20 minutes of each lesson rehearsing. This way you'll leave plenty of lesson time to play other games and activities that children will find enjoyable and engaging. Last but not least, if you don't feel confident preparing a play, a whole play, just start by simply putting together some short comedy sketches or chants or poems or even just songs that the children have learned over the school year with you. Children will still have fun performing and the parents will love seeing what they've learned with you. I hope you found these few tips useful, so happy teaching, and remember, be theatrical!